To check your Blackboard accessibility, there's two primary methods to do this. Depending on how far your course has been set up with items created, or if you're starting from scratch, these methods might differ, but you can do either of these methods at any time. The first one we recommend to use would be the bookmark and tools icon on the left hand side to select the overall course accessibility score. This is great if you've copied and pasted a module over from last year and you need to review your materials. Simply select the bookmarks and tools on the left hand side of the details and actions panel, then select the accessibility report LTI 1.3. From here you'll be given a list of all of the content that has been created on your Blackboard module. As you can see, on mine I have 43 items. From here you'll see any accessibility issues that might crop up on your course. Simply scroll down to remaining issues and select the item that you wish to address. Selecting this then gives you a list of items that need a change. Alternatively, your accessibility score can be seen on items that you are currently creating or have created already. So, for my example, I've created a document already and I'm going to edit the document. As you can see here, I've got a chunk of text followed by an image and a video. By editing my document, you'll see an accessibility score pops up in the top right next to the visibility of the document. This is the overall accessibility for this document, and selecting it will then highlight areas that might have an issue. For this document, we can see there is an image without a description. We can first of all correct this, but we can also see what this is by selecting what this means. Blackboard Ally does an amazing job of explaining what the issues are and also how to correct them. For my example, I simply need to add an image description by typing in what the image represents. For me, mine is a snowball fight taking place in the street, so I'll type this in the box now, hit save, and my accessibility score will go up. You'll also see that there might be other issues to resolve. For example, the video that's underneath the current image does not have any captions. However, the video itself does not have any dialogue that needs captioning, as it's a simple video of snowfall. So be aware of what you're uploading, think about does it need captions or does it need a description, and adjust accordingly. Where there's items where there is no guidance available, simply head over to the Blackboard Help Forum, which I'll leave in the description below, where you can see other tips and tricks or other accessibility guidance that is present on the Blackboard website. So, for where there is no captions, there is guidance on the Blackboard page, which is currently being uploaded to the Blackboard area. Some of the common issues that might pop up when you're completing your accessibility report are as followed. First, document titles, which refers to a document missing a title when uploading to Blackboard. Simply edit your title and give it a suitable name. Second is table headings, which refers to giving correct headings on a table so that people can understand what the table is representing. Third is image descriptors, so add in a description to an image in case that image does not load or the user cannot see the image so they can understand what is being represented on the page. Fourth is contrasting issues, which is where a colour has been overlaid on a different colour, which then can cause the image or text or video issues when the reader is trying to read or view the image. To fix this, you'll need to go into the document and change the colour that is being used. And finally is captioning. Captioning is the little text that pops up underneath the video, such as the one that may appear on this video now, which then gives a representation of what is being said on the screen. If you're uploading onto YouTube, these can be added when in the YouTube creation process. However, if you're using Panopto, which is our lecture capture system, these will automatically generate, which you can go in and edit for later use. In all of the templates in 2024, within the welcome and module information, you'll also see there is an additional document called Alternative Formats, Learning a Way That Fits You. This is for both students and staff to understand how to use the accessibility button for Blackboard, which will enable documents to load into various formats.